Welcome, beautiful soul, to another step in the self-worth and confidence series. Today, we're focusing on silencing the inner critic, the voice inside that feeds us doubt, judgment, and negativity. Negative self-talk can hold us back and make us question our worth. But the good news is, we have the power to change that narrative. In this session, we'll release those critical thoughts and replace them with words of kindness, compassion, and empowerment. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it and exhale slowly. As you breathe, allow your body to relax and your mind to soften. Now, imagine that you're standing in a quiet room with a mirror in front of you. As you look into the mirror, you notice a shadowy figure behind you. This shadow represents your inner critic, the voice of self-doubt and negativity. Take a deep breath and turn to face the shadow. As you do, notice that it begins to shrink. It no longer has power over you. You are in control now. With each breath, the shadow becomes smaller and smaller until it's no longer there. Now, look back into the mirror. Instead of criticism, you see a warm light reflecting back at you. This light represents your inner strength, kindness, and self-worth. Take a moment to bask in this light, letting it fill your entire being. From this moment forward, you choose words of love and empowerment. You are free from the weight of negativity. Let's affirm your power to silence the inner critic and embrace positive self-talk. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, and let them transform your inner dialogue. I choose kind and loving words to speak to myself. I release all thoughts that no longer serve me. I am my own greatest supporter. I replace self-doubt with confidence and self-belief. I deserve to treat myself with love and compassion. Feel the power of these affirmations as they replace negativity with love and strength. Thank you for joining me in this session. Remember, the words you speak to yourself matter. They shape your reality and your sense of self-worth. Practice kindness toward yourself every day. When critical thoughts arise, pause and choose a better narrative. You have the power to rewrite your inner dialogue. Be sure to subscribe and join me in the next video, where we'll explore practical steps to build confidence in your daily life. Until then, be gentle with yourself and honor your journey.